Experiencing SMS or MMS delivery failures on T-Mobile can be frustrating. The core reasons often involve network congestion, device settings, or glitches within T-Mobile's infrastructure. First, let's clarify the difference between SMS and MMS. SMS, or Short Message Service, is text only with a 160-character limit and relies on cellular signaling for delivery. MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service, handles images and videos using data packets up to 1,600 characters, but is more susceptible to issues during low signal strength or data throttling. To immediately troubleshoot texting issues, start with basic steps. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection. This often resolves temporary cellular glitches. Next, clear the cache of your messaging app. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts or delays in message delivery. Then, ensure Wi-Fi calling is enabled if you're in an area with poor cellular coverage. This allows your texts to route through Wi-Fi for better reliability. Check your phone's APN settings. For T-Mobile, the correct APN should be fast.tmobile.com. Incorrect settings can block MMS delivery or cause SMS delays. Finally, restart your device to resolve temporary software conflicts that might affect texting. This is a simple but effective fix for many issues. If these quick fixes don't work, there might be a wider T-Mobile outage in your area. Check T-Mobile's status page or app for updates on network issues. When basic troubleshooting fails, it's time to explore more advanced solutions. Outdated operating systems can cause compatibility issues with T-Mobile's messaging services. Several potential causes can lead to persistent text messaging issues. Account-related problems include billing blocks or international roaming restrictions. Conflicting apps may interfere with message delivery. For persistent problems that resist self-troubleshooting, direct contact with T-Mobile support is recommended. As of September 2025, T-Mobile achieves over 90% resolution rate through their support channels, with average resolution time under 24 hours. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is increasingly relying on rich communication services, or RCS, which offers significantly improved multimedia messaging reliability compared to traditional SMS and MMS. T-Mobile aims for 70% RCS adoption by the end of 2025. By 2026, they plan a full migration to cloud-based short message service centers, which could potentially halve delivery errors through improved infrastructure. This network architecture diagram illustrates how T-Mobile's messaging system works, from the short message service center down to various network generations, including 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G components. If text messaging issues persist despite all troubleshooting efforts, users should contact T-Mobile support or escalate to the FCC for further assistance. Staying informed about these advancements will help ensure reliable communication.